Welcome to 360 Degree Machinery. If you have any questions, comments, or surplus machinery you would like to sell, you can reach us at info@360degreemachinery.com or by dialing 630-229-6705. For an up-to-date list of machines, visit us on the web at 360degreemachinery.com or subscribe to this channel. In addition to what is on our website, we have 50 plus machines being processed as our inventory changes daily, so check back often as we do not list machines until they have been thoroughly cleaned and tested. Also remember that our full inventory is located in-house and that we do not broker tools to guarantee quality. We are going to take a look at a Multicam 3000 series 5x12 foot CNC plasma table with an HPR 130 and EasyCam package. This machine was not used daily and it really does show. It is both extremely clean and well maintained. This Multicam features a 5 foot by 12 foot downdraft table with an 8 foot or 100 inch actual extended gantry option. The total table cut capacity is 61 inches in width and 145 inches in length. The Z-axis has 8 inches of clearance. There is also a slide for a scribe if needed. Power is provided via a Hypertherm HPR 130 with auto gas console. Manuals and a generous amount of spare consumables are also included. This machine also comes with a Windows-based PC featuring Easy G-Code Creator 5 with a shape library and nesting capabilities. You can go into the shape library and choose a shape, or you can draw from scratch. You can take one of the pre-existing shapes and change the perimeters. You can enter your quantity. When you hit next, it'll show you your tool paths, and finally, when you hit next again, it will nest those for you. If you have any questions or comments, you can reach us at info@360degreemachinery.com. Again, thank you for tuning in to 360 Degree, helping you buy with confidence.